Dream Eater, the silent danger hiding in the Taurid Meteor stream. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dream Eater. I'm Anduin Omari. Today we're stepping into the vast emptiness of space to talk about something that's been quietly orbiting the sun for thousands of years. A massive river of debris known as the Taurid Meteor stream. This isn't just another meteor shower that gives us a few shooting stars in November. The Taurids are different. They're ancient, slow-moving, and they come from the breakup of a much larger comet, most likely tied to Comet 2P Inc. What makes them fascinating is how spread out and persistent they are. While most meteor streams are narrow and Earth only passes through them for a day or two, the Taurid complex is so broad that our planet takes nearly 2 weeks to cross it every year. Astronomers track this stream using powerful telescopes and radar systems. Every October and November, we see the northern and southern Taurids lighting up the sky with slow, bright fireballs. But the real story isn't the dust we see burning up, it's what might still be hiding inside that stream. Larger chunks of rock and ice that could one day pose a real hazard. Right now, the best tracking comes from organizations like NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies and the European Space Agency's NEO Coordination Center. They catalog thousands of near-Earth objects and monitor their orbits with incredible precision. Yet even with all our technology, some objects are still discovered only days or sometimes hours before they fly past us. We've had some eye-opening close calls in recent years. There have been asteroids that slipped between the Earth and the Moon with almost no warning. A few have passed at altitude similar to the International Space Station, or even closer. In one notable case in 2025, an asteroid flew just a few hundred kilometers above Earth's surface, skimming past at roughly the same height as the ISS before anyone knew it was coming. These near misses remind us how big space is and how small our detection window can sometimes be. Looking ahead, astronomers are paying special attention to certain years when Earth is predicted to pass through denser parts of the Taurid stream. The years 2032 and 2036 stand out in recent studies. During those windows, there's a hypothetical possibility of encountering a thicker swarm of debris, sometimes called the Taurid resonance swarm. If it exists, it could mean a higher chance of brighter fireballs or even larger objects capable of airbursts, the kind of atmospheric explosion we saw over Chelyabinsk in 2013, which injured over 1,000 people from the shockwave alone. The good news? Most researchers emphasize that the overall risk from truly dangerous kilometer-sized objects in the Taurid complex appears lower than some earlier fears suggested. Our surveys are getting better every year, and we now have the tools to scan those key windows in 2032 and 2036 more thoroughly. Still, the universe doesn't send warnings. Objects are still out there, moving silently through the darkness. Some we've already cataloged, others we haven't found yet. Every close approach, whether it's a house-sized rock zipping by at lunar distance or something skimming just above our atmosphere, is a reminder that Earth is moving through a busy neighborhood in cosmic terms. So here's the question Dream Eater leaves you with tonight. How prepared are we, really, for the next object that decides to get a little too close? If you enjoyed diving into these cosmic hazards with me, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What other hidden dangers in space do you want us to explore next? Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and keep looking up.